Summer is here, and it's time to relax and enjoy the sun. But for serious weightlifters, it's also time to show off their hard-earned physique. Beach days, barbecues, and pool parties are in full swing. It's the perfect opportunity to take off those shirts and reveal those rock-solid muscles. Nobody wants to walk around with a soft and flabby body. That's why all the dedicated lifters are shifting into get ripped mode for the next month or two. It's time to hit the gym and push yourself to the limit. Sweat, determination, and hard work will pay off when you see those muscles defined and toned. But it's not just about looking good. Building strength and endurance will enhance your performance in all summer activities, from beach volleyball to surfing. So grab your workout gear and get ready to pump some iron. It's time to sculpt your body and achieve the physique you've always dreamed of. Remember, consistency is key. Stay committed to your fitness routine and make healthy choices to fuel your body for optimal results. As the days get hotter, your body will become stronger. Embrace the challenge and push yourself to new heights. You'll be amazed at what you can achieve. So enjoy the summer sun, but also take pride in the hard work you've put into your physique. Show off those muscles and let the world know what you're made of. This summer, be the envy of the beach with a body that's strong, ripped, and ready for anything. Get out there and make this your best summer yet.